You can officially cancel your premium ChatGPT subscription. You don't need Claude anymore. You don't need an image generator. It is all found in one place right here inside of Profitable. And so I'm going to be showing you how to use the professional marketing content and image creation AI suite inside of our CRM. You'll notice that we're over here on the side. Just a quick recap. Our CRM replaces HubSpot and Keep and MailChimp and WordPress and DocuSign and Instantly and all of these tools that deal with document processing and payment processing and Kajabi for memberships. You don't need any of that stuff. We do everything from email, SMS, and voicemail dropping to social media management. We have one place where you can upload and plan all your social media posts, and you can also comment and respond to people automatically using AI inside of this one platform. And so today, what we're going to cover is how to use the Profitable Marketing Assistant. Now, there is a ton of information here. You'll see it's for AI generation. It has persistent memory. Everything is secure, and your team can collaborate. We have ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity. We also have Imagen, and we have DALL-E. So you'll see these are the 14 professional marketing templates, and we are continuously adding to this mix. So if you need B2B lead magnet creation or landing page creation or LinkedIn organic content, 75 days of synchronized campaigns, marketing audits, professional email replies, you're all using it, and you absolutely should. If you're not, you are playing the game on hard mode. But all of this is in one place. All we have to do is click the button to launch our marketing assistant, and then we can start a new project right here. Well, let's title it, a dog with a hat, just as an example. Dog with a hat. Now I want to go and you can see all the marketing templates that are down here. If I select one of these, it's going to give me the recommended AI model. But if I don't select one of these, then I can come in and I'm just going to choose which one. So this one, I'm going to do an image. I can come in here and say, I want to see a dog with a psychedelic, I'm going to spell that wrong, psychedelic hat. And let's have him surfing on a wave. I can give it reference files. So if I want the dog to look a certain way, or I want the hat to look a certain way, or I want it to be a certain beach, I can upload that in here. But all I have to do is hit generate content, and it is going to go through and craft my content. And then it's going to save this in my project history. I can update any of my templates. I can go in and create anything that I need. Check it out. We've got our dog surfing on a psychedelic wave. Super incredible. If you need to create an image of yourself doing a certain task, you can upload a picture of you and a picture of the task or a picture of the product, and you can make product infographics. You can create lifestyle photography. But also inside of here, you can build customer personas and email campaigns and landing pages. It's all in one place, all inside of a CRM, and everything is done for $297. There is nothing like this in the world. We have built this beautiful platform for all of your business needs, everything in one place, AI that's running everything for you. And we would love to talk to you more about it. Please book some time with our team. If you're considering getting started with it, all you have to do is go to pricing, select the $297 plan, and all of this is yours. You don't have to pay anything extra for the AI models, and we would love to see what you can create. If you need a walkthrough on how to use it, our team is here to help you as well.